Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Today's video is all about Dad. It is hosted by Deborah Cabasta and the Grace Life Home Decor, DIY, and more. The co-hosts are At Home with Lisa, myself, Design with Emma, Annalise Cupboard, Mabel's Table, Buckeye Girls Reefs and Things, and Pretty DIYs. So what I have here today is a little vignette that I put together for my husband for Father's Day. And I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done. Here I have placed a watch, a cup with the tools on it because he's always working on something around the house. Dad, you the best. And then we have a few items here I have placed in the basket, a card from the grandkids and from the kids, chocolates, and a couple of personal items. Also got in a bottle of Woodford Reserve here that's big. Over here I have his favorite chips, and then we have chocolates in the top and the little blue flowers in the middle. Over here I have a statue and the plaque that says, Happy Father's Day, we love you. And I put a couple of little vines running down it, little succulent. I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor, DIY, and Deborah Cabasca for inviting me to be a part of All About Fathers. I will be leaving their information in my description box, and all of the ladies who are participating today. If you would, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.